Gotta get changed. Perfect. Now I just gotta go get my kitty ears and I'm ready. Okay. Gotta get over to Flower's house quickly. I can't get in. Hello? I'm Did you just call me Flower? Okay. Alright, let's get going and hang out for the day. Where do you think we should go?
Maybe the spa.
Yeah, that would be fun. I'm gonna go change real quick. Do you have extra spa clothes I could wear? Do you have an extra spa clothes I could wear?
I think I have something. No, wait. I have the suit. You can take one of the suits in my room.
Oh, I'm pretty sure that the spa just dress you up.
Really? Come on in.
When did you get your driver's license? Oh. It's because your mother taught you how to drive?
Yes, and I'm also very careful on the road. I don't go too fast.
Hello there. How can we help you today? We would like a spa day, please. Coming right up. Now let me just get you ready for the spa. Come with me. Okay.
Sir, is there anyone for the things over here?
Unfortunately, no. They left early today. So there's no one to do your nails today, unfortunately.
And then I can do yours?
Yeah, let's just do our spa day first. Let's go. Now your hair is perfectly ready.
Marigold, you go first.
Okay.
Right here.
Beep, 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 beep. What was that?
Whoa!
Get in the car quick. We need to see what happened. It sounded like it was coming from the houses. We need to go back.
And quick. Hopefully it wasn't my house.
I see yours, but I don't see mine. Oh my god! Not again! It happened. I remember. I can't do this. It happens again.
You can live with me for now. How about you get a new house?
Flower, I liked the house the way it was previously. Is it okay if I just rebuild it the same way?
Careful with the wiring because it might explode again. So
Wait. My safe. I didn't check my safe.
also you can live with me for now.
Okay,
So,
but I didn't check my safe. Could the lasers be in my safe be the reason my house exploded?
well, probably, but the only way for that to happen is if someone touched the lasers and then tried to disable them.
And I think someone tried to do that, or I didn't fix them before I come in your house.
Probably either one of those two, but I guess for the past couple of days or a few days, we're gonna be rebuilding your house.
So we just gotta start. Let's start now. I'm just gonna go get building tools. They're right there. They're right there. My dad's building tools. I left behind here. All right, I got a
What do you have?
hammer. Perfect. Now let's get rebuild it. Let's get to rebuilding. Mm, 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 mm. Flower, I'm done.
I'm almost done too. Just fixing the wiring, making sure the lasers are disabled until you want to put them back in, and done.
Perfect. Just the way it was.
Hey, do you want a taco?
Sure.
Yeah.
Thanks. Your tacos are actually really delicious.
Oh, I didn't make them. Thanks to May. She's right over there.
Oh, thanks. They're delicious.
Yeah, she was helping us clean in the big room.
Alright, now done the throwing away. Now I'm gonna throw this broom away.
You can take that. I want to take me.
Okay.
Hey, what's your name, by the way? Oh, Ronnie. Nice to meet you, Ronnie. My neighbors moving to Blacksburg.
Ah, my hometown. Man, I can't believe my house blew up. Again.
Well, I figured out what it was. It was actually a cockroach. A cockroach set it off, and
They did something with the lasers and made the whole entire, and then it made it like get on like on overloaded, and then it just got then it just exploded.
it was cockroaches.
Is it the person we did? Is it the person who blew up our houses last time?
No, it's the cockroaches. The cockroaches set off the alarm.
Hey, Flower, it's your old apartment.
Yes. Yeah. Where?
Movie. We should see a movie. Yeah, you want to see a movie?
Oh no! Jump out the back! Hi. How much for popcorn and what do you want?
I'll take a Diet Pepsi, please.
Okay, how much for that? Oh, only $20? Okay. Yeah. Popcorn, you got your Diet Pepsi?
I got my Diet Pepsi. Now let's go.
Wonder what movie,
All right, let's get watching the movie. It started! Yeah! Oh,